Today we're here to talk with our Arrowhead Regional Medical Center Executive Chef, Joe Idem. And Joe has been inducted into, and I want to read it so I get it right, into the American Academy of Chefs Culinary Hall of Fame for 2018. That is a fantastic accomplishment.
Thank you. I am really excited about it.
Tell me a little bit about that organization, because I know you've been a member for a long time.
I've been a member of the American Culinary Federation over 35 years. It promotes the culinary profession. We support, of course, scholarships, everything for young culinarians. And we do the trends, everything. There's over 25,000 chefs across the United States that belong to the ACF. And in the ACF, you have the Honor Society. This is for chefs that have gone over and above. Usually they're older chefs, but one that has not only just...
Can we say well-seasoned chefs?
Yeah, well-seasoned. I like that word. That's a good one. So the well-seasoned chefs that have given back to the community, that have not only done their job as an executive chef, but also have done more. Teachers, they're involved with the community, involved with children, and promoting the culinary profession. So in that honor society is called the American Academy of Chefs.
Okay.
So in that American Academy of Chefs, there's about 800 in that total.
Oh, wow, okay.
So over and above that now, with the American Academy of Chefs, you have the Hall of Fame.
Okay.
The Hall of Fame is really for chefs that have really gone over and above. And these are really well-seasoned chefs. And there's people in the Hall of, I don't know how I'm very honored, and I'm very, kind of, don't even know how I really got in, but I'm very blessed. I'm very blessed. But you have Julia Childs in the Hall of Fame.
Oh, wow.
There's that level of chefs.
Okay.
So in the Hall of Fame, I've been nominated, and I was accepted in it, and I'm being inducted in New Orleans on the 17th of July.
Well, that's fantastic. So out of all the careers that you could have chosen, you chose to be a chef. Why did you choose to be a chef?
My grandfather was a chef.
Okay.
And my grandfather taught his son-in-law, my dad, to be a chef. So I kind of followed in that. But I've chosen a little different route. When it wasn't popular, when it wasn't what chefs did, I chose healthcare.
Great. And then why did you choose healthcare?
Healthcare because, feeding somebody when they're ill, you don't know what all the doctors are going to do for you. You don't understand all the lab work. You do understand good nutrition. You understand if you like broccoli, then you want it. If you don't like broccoli, don't get broccoli. So being healthcare, I was able to give good nutrition to patients to help them get well and to heal faster, because you have to have good nutrition. So it's just like any other prescription. You want to help people by giving them good nutrition. And what better to do this in healthcare?
Now I know you've been with Arrowhead for over 5 years, and I know you've worked other places, but what do you particularly like about working at Arrowhead versus some of the other places that you work?
Well, I grew up down San Gabriel Valley.
Okay.
But, Arrowhead, I see, they give so much back to the community, and the patients really could use the help and the education and be able to feed them. It's just a wonderful place. I just love it here. There's a lot of places to work. But Arrowhead, that is number one to me because of what Arrowhead does for the community. Not just for the hospital, but their outreach. Outreach programs are wonderful, and they really want to give back.
Well, being a staff member here and enjoying the food that you prepare and your staff prepares on a daily basis, not only for our patients, but...
Do you realize we do over 2,500 meals a day here?
I was going to ask you about that, 2,500 meals a day. Well, we are so proud of your accomplishment. We are proud to have you as a member of our staff here at Arrowhead, and all the best of luck to you throughout the rest of your career.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Thank you.